Okay, good evening, everyone. Good to see everyone here. Welcome to today's MEE. We have 169 people right now. Type hi, Valerie. Who else? Timothy, Grace, Paul. Hi, Paul. How many of you are the recent batch of SMT graduate? Like just graduate like 2 days ago. Batch 164. Anybody from 164? Type in 164. Okay, not you. Okay, but every who's on 164? Type in 164. Clement, oh, I recognize you, Clement. Who else? Mabel also from 164. Okay, Mabel. Hi, Mabel. Who else from 164? Okay, with the rest, welcome, welcome the batch 164 to our SMT community. Okay, let's see whether we can break today's record. Okay, now we're 222. Okay, hopefully, what's the number recently? I think the last ME I did, ME I did was like 500 plus. Drop, I don't know why. Is it because I announced fake retirement? People stop coming to MEE. Okay, I must 重出江湖. Actually, that one is for fun one. But anyway, okay, never mind. We will 重出江湖 and then let's hit 1,000 again. Okay. Let's do 1,000 again. Why so naughty? No, but the point is somebody asked me also. So that's the funny thing. Somebody asked me, sure no. Okay. So I also don't know why. Okay, anyway, I'm back. Okay. Big kin out. Okay. So okay, let's get started. Okay. First thing first, whatever I share with you today is for education purpose, not buying and selling advice. Type yes if you understand. Let me set my intention. My intention, because today event open to public. Okay, so let me set my intention. My intention is at the end of today, every single one of you will feel that you made the right decision to join in our weekly MEE, and you are able to learn something new, get a lot of value, and share with people what is SMT about. Okay, type yes if you understand. Okay, so next, what as usual, we want to go through the markets. We go to the markets. We want to go through also the individual stocks, and hopefully we also can learn something. Okay, apply what we learn in the class into the real-time markets. Okay, I think especially for the batch 164, right? This is where I think maybe today not much, but as the months go along, you will understand how the training, whether it's swing trade, position trade, how it applies to real life, and whether the strategy works or not. I think that's very important. Yes or not? Okay. Okay, let's go through the market first. S&P 500 first. S&P 500 right now. Okay, weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart. How many here has been around for the last for this year? Attended any of the MEE? Like me, if you attended any of the MEE before this year. Okay, by now, if you have attended any of the MEE before, you will have seen the weekly change of trend from bullish to bearish. Type yes if you have seen that. Very good. Okay. And how many of you since 2021? Type me if you, or type 2021 if you are not every week, but have attended before since 2021. Type me if you are someone like that. Okay. So if you attend 2021, you will see how the market changed from bearish to bullish and from bullish to bearish again. Okay. So right now, weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart. The position weekly is still bearish. That yes, if you understand. So what I will do is two things. First thing is, if you're long term, right now, I will still be a bit cautious. I wouldn't go in immediately. However, later I'll show you NASDAQ. Okay, but for S&P 500, based on position weekly, is still no go yet. Type yes if you understand. It's not go, no go yet. Okay, it's still. Let's wait and see how. Okay, and to learn things. Okay, to get more clarity. Okay, tomorrow growth theory we'll look at the weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart. So weekly chart right now on S&P 500. What is the trend? Up, down, or sideways? Up, down, or sideways? Sideways, okay. So question, a bit tricky question, This sideways is more towards bullish or more towards bearish? Sideways can be bearish or more towards bullish. Right? What do y'all think? Now this one is new learning. Okay, new learning. How many think is more bullish type bull? How many think is more bearish type bear? Sideways market, but which one is more bullish or bearish? Which is bullish or bearish? Cannot 50-50 lah. 50-50 play cheat, right? Okay, must be one view. Okay, still sideways because we are still unsure. But in the sideways market, right? Let's say 0 to 100, right? Is it more bullish or bearish, and why? And why? Okay, why? Okay, and I think the important is why. Okay, important why. Okay, I give my view doesn't make it correct view or wrong view. Okay, like yes if you understand. Okay, good. Finish. Okay, my view based on this chart alone. I think it's more bullish than bearish. Why? Okay, again, the context is you are long term, you continue your long term, wait for candlestick turn loop. Okay, type yes if you understand, so follow the system. Okay, but now I want to add in a bit learning, okay, of why is it more bullish than bearish. Okay, first thing first, the price, right, is above the 2MA. That yes, if you understand, that's the first thing. Okay, the price is above the 2MA. Okay, so if it correct, right, it can also be here, yes or not, below the 2MA. So what happened is the market went to here on the weekly chart, pause. That yes, if you can see a pause, doji candle, right? It's a pause, but after that decided to go above the MA. So the first thing is above the 2MA. In my view, this is more bullish. Okay. The second one is something maybe you all haven't learned before. It's what we call the retracement level. Okay. In the master class, we talked about this before, but the retracement level, this is more than 50%. Yes, if you understand, it's more than 50%. 50% retracement is around here. Okay, now it retraced until about 78%. Okay, so 8%. So it is more leaning towards bullish than bearish. If it is bearish, then the retracement level usually is about 38%. That means somewhere here, right? From here to here, somewhere around here, it will start to turn down. Or even at the 50%. 50% is 50-50. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So if it's more bearish, then likelihood it will go down like this. 38% it will turn down, or 50% it will start to turn down. Type yes if you understand. So in this case, the retracement level is more than 50%, even above 68%, the 62%, or the 50% is here, the 30% is here, even above the 68%. Okay, so it is leaning towards more bullish than bearish. That is my view. Do you understand what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, question. If you don't understand, you can also challenge me now. Okay, anyway, I don't say I'm correct. I just say my view. Okay. Any question, public, or any question, feel free to ask question. No question, type good if you understand. Okay. So a retracement level, okay, anyway, trading for you all, a retracement level. a retracement level, if it's bearish, this is something new, right? Okay, never thought in the class, right? If a retracement, a bearish view is usually retrace about 38%. Can you all see this? That yes, if you can see this. So if something goes down and retrace like this, chances are move up, turn down, go down further. Got it? If something is going upwards, that means, let's say example is going upwards, then the retracement level is how many percent? The retracement level how many percent? Still like 38% to 50%. It will not retrace so deep. That yes, if you all understand. So vice versa. So if it's bearish, then it will not rebound so strong. Got it? That yes, if you all understand question, if you don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, again, this is experience, it's not science. Okay, it's experience based on what I see now, like this rebound. Okay, let's say example, if it's 50-50, if it's 50-50, give you an example, give you a question. If it's 50-50, where will it start to turn down? If let's say we don't have this chart here, where will it start to turn down? Then you go to here, then you go to here, 50%. That means from here, right? You click on this button here. And by the way, don't use this as science. This is a bit of experience. Around the 50%, around 30%, it will start to turn down already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So example, if you put in the 10 MA to give you more confidence, right? If you put in the 10 MA, then around the here, it will turn down if it's bearish. Do you all follow what I'm saying? But right now, even at 50%, even at 68%, it does not pull back. It continues to go higher. So right now, even though it's sideways, the evidence is up. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So can buy or not? Follow the system. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. This Fibonacci retracement is not a replacement of the system. Ideally, what you want to do is to follow the system. Wait for candlestick turn blue, then take action. Do you follow what I'm saying? Especially if you are long term. If you are shorter term, let's say example you are swing. Let's say you are a swing daily, then you would have done some tricks. How many of you all see some bullish swing daily here? Yes or no? If you are very short term. Yes, if you can see a week daily swing setup over here, the 2040 MA here, you can do a swing here. Okay, so right now on the daily chart. So far, okay, any question first? Just now we've talked about any question. If you don't understand, the conclusion is what? FTS, follow the system. Right, good if you understand. If you want to learn more, you can go to here, go and find. I also did one before, Fibonacci. Maybe I'll do one more. Okay, I did one before. Mark did one Fibonacci magic. Okay, I think I also did one before, super secret Fibonacci trading. This is the one in 2003 that I talked about the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, spend some time, go through. Don't use this to replace your trading, but at least use it to have more understanding of the market. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Public, we have 72 public, right? FTS means follow the system now, because we want to make trading systematic. Okay, a bit forgot about it. Okay, by the way, public, thanks for joining us. Okay, it's follow the system now. So according to your time frame, whether you are long term, or short term, we have a system to tell you whether it's yes buy or no, don't buy. Okay, type yes. The rest of the graduate, we have like 400 plus, 447 of y'all. Do you all agree? Okay, at least based on the system, whether it's long term, short term, mid term, we have a system to tell you black and white whether it's buy or don't buy. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, good. So next, Nasdaq. Okay, we go Nasdaq because a bit slow. Okay, let's go Nasdaq right now. Again, what I show you all, it's just my little understanding of TA, a little understanding of the market. It does not make it correct or wrong. Do y'all follow what I'm saying? I also not saying I'm correct or wrong. Please go and do your research. I'm just giving my way. Got it? Okay, public also understand it's not correct or wrong. Okay, that's my way. Okay, so one of the things I always say is you can say I'm not Zun, but you cannot say I don't give my view. Yes or no? Because every week for let's say longest time, for weekly webinar, I give a 1 hour outlook of my view of the market. Do you follow what I'm saying? The public, you all can see every week, right? We record down this weekly webinar. 2000 since before even COVID, 2020, 2019. Every week we do a outlook, okay, of the market. If you click onto one, then you see it's about an hour sharing, okay, about the markets. Got it? Or too long, okay, but it's an hour outlook on the market, hour plus. Okay, you understand? So if the public want to join us in our so a video like this, okay, basically it's same thing, okay. This is my old house, okay. It's the same thing that we do every week, okay. For those that want to join us, if you are new to SMT, you want to be part of this SMT, then you can sign up for a preview. It's called CollinSeow.com/SWB. And then after that, you will be invited to a preview. Preview is basically what is the SMT community about. And then after that, there's a 4-day course, which some of them joined in recently, the batch 164. And then after that, there will be a weekly webinar, lifetime. Yes or no? Whether you joined 5 years ago, 10 years ago, last week, you also can attend our live Zoom. So that is the about our SMT community. Okay, so for those that in the public, can you all type in for those that are graduates, can you, or in the public also, if you are SMT, can you type in SMT so that the rest, the public will know what is it about. Okay, thank you. Thanks everyone for hosting. Okay, we have right now 463 of you. Okay, wow, I think number drop. Okay, next one we must jump up this number. Okay, so public, just to let you know. Okay, so now come back to Nasdaq. Okay, one more thing just now about S&P 500 also. If you use the trough line, the dotted black line, you can see the price went above the dotted black line. Can you see? Even for S&P 500, it's above the dotted black line. Okay, so indication. Okay, let's see example. I show you S&P 500 first. Okay, that it is stronger. Okay, stronger. Okay, so S&P 500 is back to here. Okay, above the dotted black line. Okay, dotted black line, you can call it resistance or something like that. Okay. So now back to Nasdaq. Nasdaq actually is stronger than the S&P 500. Guys, my suggestion is don't use the news. Don't use the news. You know what I mean? That yes, if you understand, don't use the news of things like earnings is worse and things like that. Just look at the price. Got it? That's like we buy Hang Seng 1-2 years ago, no news one. Let's look at the price. Yes or no? Or STI during COVID, don't have one. Just look at the price. I think makes trading become more objective. Yes or no? If you look at news, then you can be very confused. Frankly, you ask me, I am two minds. Because on one hand, we have the weakening fundamentals, blah, blah, blah. On the other hand, they keep printing money. Yes or no? So what do? Follow the system. Got it? Follow the system. Yeah, long term, that's it. And I stack right now, follow the system. No need to look at the fundamental because it gets very confusing. Got it? Yes or no? So for long term right now, Nasdaq also turned blue already. Indication. Weekly swing also swing up already. Yes or no? Above the 2 MA. Position daily also position daily not yet lah. Okay, position daily not yet, but you understand that the mode here for the last 2 weeks has turned to bullish. So since this period here has turned to bullish already. So right now, some of the stocks, not all the stocks, some of the stocks has made high again. How many of y'all seen that? Some of the stocks have made new high again. Oh, not every stock is like this. Some stocks make new high again. Okay, later we have time, we go through some of the stocks. Some of the strong stocks make new high again. Okay. So position weekly, buy signal triggered already. That yes, if you understand, mark the high, triggered already. Okay. Position daily, waiting for arrow with teeth. Swing weekly, not yet. Okay, swing weekly not yet because right now it's here. Very strong uptrend. Possible for a pullback or not? That yes, if you think possible for a pullback. If it pull back, then where is my likely support? If you pull back into my 10 MA. That yes, if you understand. So if you pull back to my 10 MA. So now this line, right, as the price goes, right, this price, let's say, remain like this, then my MA will start to catch up. Got it? Okay. So if it pull back to here and then it rebound, then what do we have? Then we have a higher low already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, if it rebound. Okay, haven't yet. Okay, even haven't dropped yet. Okay, but I understand where is the context right now. If you are doing swing weekly, that means 1 month trade. Right now cannot buy. No setup. Okay, later part, if you pull back, potentially may have a setup on the swing weekly. Not now. Okay, anyway, won't be so fast. Got it? Any question? Type good if you understand the so far we covered. Okay, question. Why is 10A a support level? Why is 10MA a support level? Because this is considered a strong uptrend. So a strong uptrend usually will pull back to the 20 MA. Yes or no? But if a strong uptrend, then you can use the 10 MA. I know we are thinking, Collin, what is considered strong, what is considered not strong? If the up candles is more than 5, let's say example from here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 8 candles up. Got it? So it's considered strong uptrend. So sometimes when the trend is very strong, it may not pull back to the 20 MA. Okay, like example here. That yes, if you understand. Like example here, wow, very strong, isn't it? So it doesn't pull back to the 20 MA. You just put the 10 MA, then rebound. Got it? Okay, that's why I use the MA. Cancer, answer your question. Public, we got 82 of you. You have any question can also ask. Oh, by the way, we're going to I'm going to start doing Instagram and TikTok live soon. Okay, besides our weekly webinar, maybe on Friday night or what, we will do Instagram and or TikTok live. Okay. Anybody want to join me? Type me if you want to join me. last time even during COVID even worse, right? Not say even worse. Last time like every because lockdown, right? Then last time those people who remember ME suddenly nothing to do. Let's do a Zoom live. Remember or not? Anybody remember that? I never even announced, and let's do a Zoom live, okay? Because very bored, nothing to do. Okay, nowadays a bit more busy now, okay, but I think we can do that now, okay. So during lockdown, I say nothing to do. Okay, let's do so. Nothing to do, right? Okay. So now it's not because nothing to do lah. It's because wait, we got one question. Hi, I'm a former student, focus on teaching already. How can I access the training video? Collin, if you, first thing first, I suggest, right, you go for our live class, the 4 days class. Visit the 4 days class again. It is free. Okay, it is free. So go and ask our admin, get you into the 4 days class again. It's free. Okay. After attend the 4 days class already, then ask them for the premium members area. Okay, the one not free. The 4 days class is free. The premium member area is not free because that one got a lot of people go in and add value. Got it? A master class and things like that. Okay. So by the way, you all still watch the master class or not? That me if you watch the master class. Who is the admin? Can someone go and contact? I think you can contact 84841183. 84841183. Okay, that's the admin. Or 86. What's the admin number? Avia. 869986991183. Is it? Never mind. Later, I think 84841183 is working. So you got contact them and PM them, and then they will get you for this class. Okay, got it. Can I? Okay, good lah. At least we find back old graduates. It's always good to find back old graduates. Half year never watch going to pick up. Hey guys, some of this training is very good. In my view, some of this training is very good. So hey Jeffrey, while you're in Australia, so sure. Okay, so go and watch them. Okay, like go and watch them. It's quite interesting. I will do. I think since so many people talk about Fibonacci, I will do one more masterclass on Fibonacci again. Coming soon. Okay, I'll do one more on Fibonacci again. I feel it's useful. I don't think it's like it replaces your normal trading, but it helps you to get some insight. Okay. Okay, coming back to the markets. Nasdaq, any question? Collin, where do we go in for Nasdaq? QQQ. Yes. Okay, QQQ. Okay, QQQ. Same thing. So you go position weekly, same thing. Got it? Okay, basically ETF for Nasdaq. Got it? The rest understand, If not, I move on to Hang Seng. Hang Seng Index weekly chart still bullish. That yes, if you all know that before today. You know okay, weekly chart bullish. Up. There is a swing trade setup over here. How many saw that swing trade setup over there? Type me if you saw the swing trade setup over here. Anybody traded this? Type me if you did the swing trade setup over here. Good. If you swing trade, sui lah. Yes or no? Quite nice. Okay. I think if you swing trade right now, can exit already. Okay, can exit already. Okay. If you're long term, no need exit. Continue to what? Continue to DCA. Right? Continue to DCA. No change. Nice. Sweet. Oh, how to buy the Hang Seng ETF? For every class, we have one new one. How to buy that? How to buy the 2800? Okay, should we be worried about the overload? No need. Okay, this one, guys, don't interpret so much. The weekly chart means up, means long-term up. Do you follow what I'm saying? No need to interpret so much. Okay, follow the system. If you are doing swing trade, then follow swing trade setup. Here, swing trade setup. Or if you are doing swing daily and swing trade setup, no need to say higher high, higher low. Even just now we talk about Fibonacci, don't put too much weight to this. Got it? Make your trading become very objective. Yes, buy or don't buy. Easier. Got it? Okay. Any question, Hang Seng? No question, type good. If you understand any question, you have question, type in the question. Public also can question. 2800 is the ETF lah. Also, you go to 002800. Okay, 010. Tracker fund. Okay, how to buy not weekly, buy monthly. Like today, 2nd of June, every 2nd of June you buy. Or every 2nd of June you buy. Got it? That yes, if you understand. Okay. 2823 2823 also same lah. Yes or no? Okay. Not as nice as Hang Seng 2800, but still bullish. Yes or no? Still bullish. Okay. There's a whipsaw here, 没有办法. Okay. There's a whipsaw here, 没有办法. But I would think that for Hong Kong market, for China market, don't do the trading, rather just DCA. That yes, if I mentioned this before, don't do the charting like that. Not so good. Okay, just do DCA if you find it's good. Okay. Any question? So if not, then let me just say bye to the public. We have done the 32 minutes. Public, we were going to do one more TikTok soon. Okay, and I will invite you all to join us. Then the whole session is free for all public. Okay, got it? Okay, do look up for it. If not, then go to this link and then CollinSeow.com/SMT. CollinSeow.com/SWB to sign up for the next training. Got it? Okay, if not, then thank you very much. Thanks for joining us. Let me just put in this link. Thanks, Kelvin. I just copy or place your link. Over here. Okay, if not, then thank you guys. Have a good day. Graduate stay. Okay, close this one first. Time to join our secret meeting. Yeah, join the secret meeting.